I've never seen anything like this. Every single drawer guide on this dresser is broken. The drawer guides look like this, and they sit in there just like that. Behind drawer number 10 is a whole pile of drawer guides. Like, what the heck, man? How is that possible? I've never seen a dresser with every single one of these drawer guides busted. I've seen a bunch of them missing, but not every single one of them are broken. I have a bag of some replacement guides, but we'll need more. We need 16, and I got 2, 3, 4, 5. I only have 7. So I got to order some more. Got a couple areas I'm addressing. The veneer was actually peeling off in the lower corner on this back left leg, so I got it glued and clamped since last night. So we're ready. I can pull the clamps off. Actually, I can pull them off right now. Got them taped on there as well. I got it taped. Remove that. I'll just fill and sand this and make it real nice so it looks like the front. And the other area was back over here. There was a huge divot right here I filled with Bondo last night before I left my shop. So it's all dry, so we'll go ahead and sand this down flush using some 80 grit with orbital sander. That's perfect right there. Now when I prime the dresser right now, it'll cover all that area and I can address afterwards as well. Got the drawers masked off, ready to prime. We're gonna prime this dresser at the same time. I just took off the clamps in the lower left-hand corner to fix some veneer that was peeling, and the right-hand back corner as well, filled some areas with some Bondo. So now I can prime the dresser and the drawers. Okay, I got my paint mix and loaded in a spray gun, ready to spray the drawers and the dresser, first coat, and then we'll go ahead and let it set an hour, and then we'll go ahead and put the second coat on. All right, first coat on the drawers and the dresser. Let's go ahead and shut the door. All right, second coat dry. Let's go ahead and pull the dresser out and unwrap it. Take all the... Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is put the hardware back on the drawers. I actually painted them yesterday. I painted them gold because the patina on the original ones I didn't like and they weren't buffing out, so I just refinished them all. This is only some of them. And then I'll go ahead and put the new drawer guide slides on. Every one of these are broken. As you can see, they're supposed to fit in there just like that, so I need to remove every single one of these and then put the new ones in, and then plus the hardware in the drawers, and we can insert the drawers, get it staged and photoed and put online. Man, I can't believe how brittle the old drawer guide slides are. Like, I unscrewed it, but they're stuck in there, and they're like super brittle. They crack like crackers. Just crumbling apart. I can't believe how hard these things are to get out. Every one of these drawer guide slides were stuck in there and crystallized. Look at this. So these shouldn't be like this. Watch how easy it shatters. You should not do that. Compare it to a new one. It jumped but didn't break. So yeah, that was a big problem in here. Let's put the new one back in.